So I got this car to rebuild it. It's a 2006 Cobalt SS. It has a full stage 3 kit on it. It has the dual pass intercooler plate. It has the injectors, the pulley, all that, the intake and all that. It needed a headlight, the front bumper, this fender, and a control arm on this side. I did all that. Shortly after that, figured out I was having problems with it running right, that the head gasket was blown. So when I started tearing into that to put a new head gasket in, I noticed that the supercharger needed some bearings. So put bearings in the supercharger, put a head gasket on, all new gaskets on everything, valve cover, timing cover, injector, O-rings, the intercooler gasket, the exhaust gasket, all that is all brand new. The headlights are brand new, the bumper's brand new with the front lip. I painted all that. Looks pretty decent. Had a 4-wheel alignment done on this. Everything lined up and is good there. It didn't have a stereo, so I put a touchscreen stereo in it with a backup camera, and then I shortly found out that the reverse switch was bad, so I had to put a reverse switch in it. Went all over this thing, and the only thing I have left to do, and if you're watching this ad, it's already done, is I peeled all the window tints off, because that has to be off to pass the enhanced inspection. So all the side tint is off, but this back window has old tint on it, and if you can see, I'm still in the process of taking that off. So if this video is up, then that's already off, and it's ready to pass. If you're interested in this Cobalt SS is actually pretty nice. I put a lot of work into it. It has a ZZP high flow cat, full vibrant 3-inch exhaust from the cat back, drilled and slotted rotors front and back, new pads front and back, good tires the whole way around. Fluids were just changed, put new oil filter, new fluid in the supercharger, new radiator, new condenser. Downside, the cons on this, there is a tear in the driver's seat. There is the recirculate blend door for the recirculating. There is bad, so it clicks in the dash when you turn the key on. And the other thing was I haven't successfully got a key fob programmed for this. I got a brand new key fob and just have not been able to program it successfully. So I got a brand new key fob for it. And the stage 3 kit, I believe you can run it up to, I haven't, but I believe you can run it up to like 7,300, and it should be running about 17, 18 pounds of boost. It's 6,000, it's running 15. This thing runs great. Everything works in it, minus that blend door and the key fob. So if you're interested in this, hit me up, send me a message on Messenger, and I'll get right back to you.